She's with us today, and we are going to possibly work on the generator. Not work on the generator. Start the generator. Start the generator. We shall see. I did get up though. You guys are my witness. Hey everyone, it's Zelda, Tony, T, and ZRV Life, and guess who we have?
My little grandbaby. Say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi.
There's Amaya. Here you go.
Look at TV. I mean, look at the camera. Say hi.
Say acorn. The acorns are falling all over the RV, and I know, I'll get that later. No, say hi to the camera.
Okay, so we are here.
I got up, y'all.
Yes,
I got up before.
At what time? 12 o'clock?
No. I was up at 7:30. 7:30. I had my 2 cups of coffee, and I was up. I said, let's get the generator going now. He didn't get the generator going, but what he did get going is the grill. So we're having burgers, beans and burgers for breakfast. B,
Sounds good to
and
me.
B. The triple B. Yay. Amaya loves beans. Right?
My
You
little
like beans?
grandbaby loves it. I love it, so that's what it is.
Yep, and that's until we go shopping. You gonna get down? Alright, bye. Don't hit the camera stand. Okay. She said that okay. Well, today is another beautiful day, and we're just going to, actually we're going to turn on the generator. I might show some footage of that. That way I have proof, ta-ta, that thank you.
Was up late.
I was up early, and
She thinks she was up at 7:30, but she wasn't.
I wasn't.
Because my son left to go to work at 7:30, she was still in the bed.
I saw him, and I was awake. Well, be careful. I was up. I was awake. I had coffee, and I'm out here.
8:30.
It's not 8:30. It's a little later than that right now. What time is it?
It was 8:30 when she got up.
It's 10:49, so it's early for us. So what's happening with you guys? Leave some comments on how you spent your summer. What did you do for Labor Day? What meals are you cooking? I'm going to eventually go back to Crockpot Wednesdays because it's starting to get cooler, and I love Crockpot meals. Love, love, love. Sometimes it's just the same thing, but Crockpot macaroni and cheese, my wings, having a pot roast in the crock pot. It just is wonderful. And I love waking up to beans. I love beans. Beans don't necessarily love me, but I love beans. It smells good in the morning when you wake up. You got ham and beans in the crock pot. What are you laughing at? What I do?
Nothing.
I love my beans. So, and Miss Amaya over here loves beans too. You love Grandma? Oh yeah. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Give Grandpa a kiss. Okay. Blow a camera kiss. Say mwah. Mwah.
Okay, I
Yay.
gotta go get my food.
Okay, yeah, we'll catch you in a little bit. We'll show you what how our day's going.
And she gonna start the generator.
Yes, I'm going to start the generator.